Out here in the garage working on a Softail, draining the fuel tank so I can pull the fuel tank so I can replace the throttle cables. I've already got the intake off, battery is disconnected, I've got the fuel tank loose, got the left side drained. It's got a crossover tube, it's a one-piece tank, but I still want to drain over the right side. Pretty sure there's still fuel in there. Might be a little bit in there. So yeah, just getting this thing disconnected. Just figured I'd give you guys a little heads up on what's going on here. We've got the tank and all off still. I've got the induction module here reinstalled. Basically reinstall this the same way I did the carburetor setup, right? So I put new rubbers in for the flanges, made sure that I went in and used a little dielectric grease. The next thing I want to do while I've got easy access to the rocker boxes, so I'm going to remove the top halves of the rocker box so I can replace those umbrella valves that are underneath. As much like everything with the throttle and all here, I'm sure that I'm going to find that everything is old and in need of love. Alright, so let's get to it. We'll pop these guys out. Three, front and back. I want to clean all this gunk out of here anyway, so I'll go ahead and get that going as well. Clean off those. We'll see what we get when we get underneath there. So you're going to want a 7/16 wrench to start breaking everything loose. I'm just taking a couple of turns all the way around. Take it off relatively evenly. Alright, I got it loose, and I can just start removing bolts. So I've got one of these Lang 7/16 tools here. Figure I'll go ahead and put to use. Now I got them broke loose. This is bad on the back though. I really need a good motorcycle lift. Run. Boy, these things are filthy. Geography of parts. Da, 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 da. Yeah, I just did that. Alright. Top of this guy's plenty dirty. I'm definitely going to clean that down. And what we're looking for is underneath here. Oh good, this has metal gaskets on it. It should be reusable then. Nice. That means I don't want to pull this off though and clean it down. Alright, let's get a little closer in here. So this, underneath here is where that umbrella valve lives. This is a good opportunity for me to take a look around the top end on this. It's not very dirty, that's good. I like that. I got a little bit of ew underneath there, but not much at all. I've seen way worse, so I'm happy about that. Let's get this top guy off. Just cleaning off the mating surfaces here. Now watch, I'm going to pull this out and find out that I didn't need to do this in the first place. Let's see, 3/8, 3/8. Quite gonna be able to get you out from under there easily. Alright. Let's see if we can't tap her loose. Oh yeah, that's filled up pretty well. This gasket is coming apart in little pieces. All right, clean the ledge off. Everything cleaned up out of there. Anything else? That little piece of gasket's gonna survive sitting there anyway, but still. It's a nice thing about oil, huh? Easy to stick to you. Alright, good. So what you're gonna notice here is obviously a little breather piece here. It's fully caked with oil. And the actual umbrella valve is underneath here. Now, so a ledge right here, you'll pop that up with a, like a flathead screwdriver, whatever you got handy. So I'll take this and just boop. And there's the old umbrella valve. Stuck in there. So I'm going to get all this, every trace of this old paper gasket and all out of the way, and we'll be putting new gaskets in. If you're careful with it, you ought to be able to get all the paper off. Not any problem. Come on, girl. Alright, now I can clean down the metal, put new valves in. So, quick update on the Softail. Got that front done, no big deal. Went to go do the rear. Yeah, see I've got some bolts here apart. Because you can't get the rear bolt back here, this will not come all the way out. So, put the bike up on jack, went ahead and rotated it over, pulled the plug, top dead center on the rear. That way I could unbolt all 4 of these bolts here. Come on. I know you'll come out of there. There you go. Sorry, I know this is a super shaky cam. So I get for trying to do this with one hand. Upside out. Pull these front bolts. Good, they're the same. Now, we can get that breather out. Alright, so just set this over here. I'm not going to take these out or anything. All I'm trying to do is clean and replace. Yeah, that. So yeah, the rear is going to be a little more interesting than the front. Figured you guys would like to know.